How to fix Siri not working in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix your problem, then firstly open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on Siri and then click on talk to Siri. If your Siri cannot work properly, then turn off your Siri and then remanage your Siri. Now click on Hey Siri and then manage your Hey Siri. Now click on continue. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri. Now again click on continue. Hey Siri. Now click on settings, go to Siri, talk to Siri and Hey Siri. Now click on continue. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions on. Hey Siri, play some music. After rearrange your Siri, then click on done. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.